Party leaders of the Regional Democratic Alliance (RDA), an alliance of the United Democratic Party (UDP) and Hill State People's Democratic Party (HSPDP), campaigned for Robertjune Kharjahrin, an RDA candidate for the upcoming Lok Sabha election from Shillong parliamentary seat at Markasa under Kharjahrin constituency in eastern West Khasi Hills district. In his speech, Kharjahrin spelled out his agendas of bringing about a holistic development and addressing unresolved issues of the Khasi and Jaintia Hills. He also called upon people to take this matter seriously by coming out in large numbers to exercise their franchise. He was accompanied by ex-MLA of Kharjahrin, Brolding Noset, and UDP President Medba Lingdok.
Don't come here with Kersan betul. Semua belum, bosnya masa kedai hadir bagi MLA dan buron di jongi kira pas ya tak resolution ban pentrai kamno yang KLP WMP dan buron di jongi Maltin Sempala wai kubor bahana kata KLP kelarin tan tolong cek kembang ipa yo pelia ban cek ya kagul sanggul di jongi uni WMP jongi kurnet kala ya kagul sanggul jo jendau jemriu Tajak dulu, beli utama MP yang cakap boleh jesak dalam tajam ni, kumpulan boleh jesak dalam tajam ni. Cua bangkut nak, katanya sudah kepalanan, pula semua tu upang hapanuan dia, show pipa, banpan segersan, saya syukuran kumba apa nilai pun sekian sepang KLP. Tentu pindah-pindah.
The Trinamoor Congress unit in Nongstoin